Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today I'm doing a quick pizza made with a tortilla wrap. The ingredients are a small amount of oil, a tortilla wrap, passata, mixed herbs and cheese. We start by mixing the passata with mixed herbs. Passata is sieved tomatoes. It sounds a bit fancy, but it's really good. I use it a lot in spaghetti bolognese and chilies. It just makes it's a little bit thicker than a tin of tomatoes. Add a little bit of herb. Give it a really good mix. Grate some cheese and put in a bowl. Heat a little bit of oil in a pan. Add the tortilla. Spread the tomato on top with the herb. Don't use too much, otherwise the cheese won't melt. Then sprinkle a little bit of cheese. Again, don't go too much with the cheese because it won't melt. Cook on medium for about 3 to 5 minutes until the base is crispy and the cheese is melted. If you wanted to add other toppings such as mushrooms or peppers or onions, give them a quick fry and put them on top. And also I tried pepperoni the other week and I found I just had to fry it before I've served it on the pizza. But it's a really quick, easy lunch and great for the children during half terms.